following on from the Apple tax ruling last year. Another blow for MEPs and NGOs who've been campaigning, as they see it, for multinationals to pay their fair share of tax. And I'm joined now by Paul Tang, Dutch MEP for the S&D Group. Paul, you must be bitterly disappointed today. So what's the next move when it comes to the likes of Amazon and Apple paying their fair share?
Well, to be clear, it's not a sunny day for Europe, right? But it's a good day for Jeff Bezos here, this bonus again. And it just shows that anything goes in the current tax system, that everything is deemed legal as judged by the court. So we need to come up with legislation that makes tax avoidance indeed illegal.
So you're saying, because the point from the Apple tax situation and this one was that there was essentially sweetheart deals done with Amazon and Apple by member states, Luxembourg and Ireland in this case. You're saying they're actually legal because the Commission obviously has said pretty clearly that this is illegal state aid.
Yeah, I think it should be illegal, and it's still sweet for Amazon. They had a 44 million euro turnover last year, but made zero profit in Europe and didn't pay any taxes. I think that's a sweetheart deal, but it is legal. But it should be illegal. So the Commission should come forward with proposals to make sure this is illegal. One opportunity that's coming up is the minimum effective tax rate that's being discussed at the OECD in Paris. Joe Biden has proposed 21%. Let Europe join, and then at least Amazon will pay its taxes.
So is that it then? It has to be the OECD. The EU is helpless. Is that what you're saying? Because I suppose a lot of people would look at this ruling, and as you mentioned there, Jeff Bezos, and look at the monumental amount of money Amazon has made in the past year or so, and they will see this as totally unjust.
Yeah, of course, but Europe is not helpless. We need to come forward with legislation and supported by the member states, and including all member states, to make sure that this is that tax avoidance becomes indeed illegal. That when we go to court, we win. That's all we need to do.
And what about the member states who are reticent, the likes of Luxembourg, the Netherlands and Ireland? I mean, it's a very difficult thing to do when taxation is an issue of national competence.
Yeah, but also the Irish voters, Luxembourg voters, the Dutch voters, whether they are right-wing or left-wing, find it unfair that Jeff Bezos got much richer today. Everyone needs to pay its fair share, also Jeff Bezos.